What's good, YouTube? We are back with another video. As always, appreciate y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, go hit that subscribe button. Be sure to like all the videos, leave a comment, all that. But yeah, with all that being said, let's get into it. So yeah, today I think we have another Facebook find. As y'all can see by the title, we have found another important piece for the car. I've been trying to get this piece for the longest. Outside of the bumper, it's been like the hardest to find at a good price. Yeah, last night I was looking on Facebook and somehow I found it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to trade a couple things and see what I can do. But one of the things I hate about shopping on Facebook, sometimes people be far, bro, and I don't like to drive far and waste my time, but I'm praying we can make something happen. Yeah, hopefully we get a new look on the Challenger. But yeah, first things first, I gotta go into the attic and go pull out this old bumper, because I think I'm gonna try to just get it out of the way. But yeah, gotta get in the attic, get this old bumper. Gotta go through the creepy door. This one of the attics. Ugh, lights on a bit. Damn, that look fatter than I expected. But let's see what we can do. Alright gang, we reached the roadblock. I'm gonna have to wait till my brother get home. He has some straps in his truck, and that's how I'm gonna transport it to my guy. But since I'm waiting on my brother, I gotta go pick up some other parts from River Oaks Dodge. So yeah, I'm gonna go head there real quick. I called up earlier, made sure they had the parts in stock. This is the second CLA I done seen. That's like the second CLA that I done seen. And they kind of look hard now. Like, I know it's the small bins, but they come with the diffuser and everything. I really throw a wing on that bitch. Make it real nice. Alright. Let's see what we can do. Already see the Hemis. I love that color. Yo, what's good, bro? Hey, how do I get to the parts department?
Parts?
Yeah.
It's gonna be, so you gotta come out this parking lot onto the road.
Yeah.
And then here, I'll show you.
I saw the building, but I didn't see how to get into it.
Park here.
No, I got you. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, dude, super cool. Finna go ahead to the parts department. So yeah, that's the building that I need to go to. Let's see what we can make happen. Look at my car. Ooh. Baby looking clean. So I guess this is what he was talking about. Guess I could have parked over here. So yeah, let's go grab these parts.
I just like,
oh no,
I went to lunch, come back, it's like, damn.
I'm glad y'all got them all. But yes sir, it's exactly what I need.
Perfect.
Alright gang, so looks like we got our parts. Now we gotta wait for my brother to grab the truck, but this was necessary, very necessary. Back to the whip. Look at the whip, it's Sirski. Alright, what's good gang? We are back at it. It's the second day, I'm not gonna lie, but yesterday, unfortunately, something happened and we didn't have the truck available, but look, today we have the truck available. Yes sir, the wide body. Yeah, first I'm finna load this truck up with this old bumper, and then I think I gotta make a stop at Home Depot just to grab a couple of screws, and after that we're gonna head to my guy and see what business we can get done. I'm really hoping this is solid, legit, you know. Mainly what I'm hoping is that I can slap it on and I don't have to do too much work to this part. Y'all already know sometimes when you find stuff on Facebook, it could be a little damage, slightly damaged, or I mean, there's reasons people get rid of shit. Hopefully this is clean, it's good, and I don't have to do too much to it, and we can get some good business done. But y'all stay tuned. So we got the bumper strapped in. Hopefully it's not going nowhere. Everything seems pretty tight. And now we finna go meet our guy. Hopefully we can get some business done. Alright, we finally rolling out. Oh man, it's hot already, dog. Alright gang, first we had to stop at Home Depot because I got these grills that I gotta find some nuts for. I asked the guy if Chrysler would give me some nuts and he was like, oh nah, Chrysler's not like that. I ain't gonna lie, as a kid I lived in Home Depot. Y'all think I do a lot of projects? My dad does probably a project every weekend. If that nigga has time, he's gonna do a project. There we go, groove. Alright, let's see. I should be able to use this real quick. So I think this is a size we need. These are just way too long. Alright, bet. I think we found them right here. I'm gonna check and make sure. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, so we got our screws. Now we about to head to my guy. See what business we could do. Alright gang, so it looked like we like 5 minutes away from the guy. Definitely far as fuck from my side of town. This is like all the way by the airport and shit. And if y'all from Houston, y'all know the airport on the north side, which is crazy far. But yeah, on the north side, they always be having a bunch of salvage yards and shit like that. So I'm not surprised I landed over here. Alright, so it says we're about to pull up. Alright, bet. So I guess this is it right here. Yeah, that's it. Alright, so we just pulled up. I'ma keep the camera in the car real quick, just cause sometimes niggas see cameras and they like to up the price on the nigga. So I'ma see what we can do real quick, make sure the business is good, and then I'm gonna bring the camera back. Alright, so made the deal, we shook hands. Now I can bring the camera out and show y'all everything. So basically what I'm doing, I got a hood from my guy and I'm giving him my old hood and this bumper as well. And let me show y'all the hood that I'm getting real quick. So yeah, this is a hood that I'm grabbing. The SRT style hood with the 3 vents. And I'm not mad at it. I wanted the red eye hood with the double scoop, but I think I'm gonna just get that when I get the red eye. I think that'll make more sense. Yeah, this gonna do for now. Alright, got the car pulled over in the shade. Did it pop? Now let's get this hood off. So we're gonna have to take the latch off and we're gonna have to unbolt those. Hey. Nigga's gonna run over my camera. As y'all see, me and bro got the hood off. It wasn't hard at all. You think that shit was hard? That was hard? What the fuck was hard about that?
Oh, you saying like was the process hard?
Yeah.
Oh nah, that shit was easy. Shit took like 5-7 minutes.
Yeah. Now we just gotta take these windshield wiper things out. That's important. And after that, we should be good to go. Alright, so we finna take this old hood to him. We got the heat thing off, windshield wipers, all the latches and everything. and finna go grab the new hood and start putting everything from my old hood back onto the new hood. But yeah, finna go pay the man, handle my business real quick, and get this new hood installed. Just wanted to set you up real quick. Yes, sir.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir. Thanks for doing business. I'm gonna go and put it on right now, but I just wanted to get you set.
If you need anything, let me know, though.
Yeah, yes, sir. We'll see you next time if I ever need anything. But yeah, nice doing business. Everything was cool. Now we just gotta get this new hood on. So we got the new hood on. I will say the hood is dirty as fuck right now, so don't judge me, but yeah, it's Ersky. Me and bro got that shit. SRT boys. Now I gotta put the vents on. Yesterday y'all saw I went and got my vents from the dealership, so I'm gonna throw those on real quick. Ersky. Brown paper bag. Some slate. Official Mopar. Everything OEM, boy. Alright, gang, so we got the hood all on. And big shout out to my bro. Definitely helped me out a lot. Could not do it without him or his truck. So, yeah. SRT boys. And I'm adding the let's get it. Alright, what's good, gang? We are back at it. My bad, it is the next day, but I'm not gonna lie, yesterday was hell after I got the hood. Well, not hell, but basically I tried to make my own stripes and I was having a pain. Like, that shit took me hours, and I think I just wasn't thinking about it right yesterday. But today I got my mind straight. I went and meditated about it, prayed about it, and I feel like I'm gonna get it today. So today we are about to put the stripes on the hood. I saw yesterday the deal was real good. Shout out to my boy, he got me right for a good deal. I gave away my bumper and my old hood, and now I have the SRT 3-scoop hood. So yeah, shout out to him. I've been wanting to get that mod done for so long. It was that and the bumper that I just wanted to get done for so long. But of course, people charge stupid amount of bread for those parts. So, you know, I had to take my time on it, but thanks to God, we came through. And yeah, let me just show y'all the new hood. So yeah, as y'all can see, my new SRT hood, OEM, and it came in the color that I needed. You know, that can only be God, and I'm very thankful for it. Yeah, other than that, all the body work is done. I have a OEM wide body, or partially OEM wide body. I do want to get the wide body lip eventually, but the only thing is, again, people charge like stupid amounts of bread for that. So if I find that at a good price, I'll probably grab it, you know, and then swap this one out. But yeah, I'm gonna wait on that. I'm not really too much in a rush. I really want to get into some performance shit like I told y'all in one of the previous videos. But yeah, we finna get these stripes together, and hopefully today this install goes well. But I think it will. I think it will. So stay tuned. So I got the lines cut out. I made the straightest lines that I could. Now it's time to install them. Let's see how this shit look. Alright, gang, after some mad finessing, I think we finally finished the stripes. And I know it ain't perfect, but I'm just glad to have this shit over with. This is really just until I figure out what I want to do with the car next as far as like rap wise goes. But you know, I've just been enjoying that plain black and white vibe right now. Eventually I'm gonna switch the whole car up, do something crazy with it. But yeah, I finessed the stripes to make it look as good as it can for now until I switch up whatever I'm gonna do. So let me show y'all. So yeah, that is the final product, or the product that I'm going with for now until I switch it up completely. So appreciate y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next car video. I don't know what that would be yet. I know it's gonna be something performance, but I've been trying to get this hood and this bumper for the longest. So I'm really just trying to enjoy that, enjoy not buying car parts for maybe a week or so. But yeah, appreciate y'all for watching. Go subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video so we can keep growing, and stay tuned for the next one.